Hello, hi. So for project 3, what you have to do is, I will explain now. So the title of the project is My 3D in Projections. We're going to produce a 3D form, a sculpture. So you can read these notes here, prepared by Dr. Azhar. Now the purpose of this project, why we are doing this project is because, to introduce you guys, to the relationship of form and space in architecture and implementing basic design principles. Second is to challenge you to communicate your idea through 3D dimensional. Remember, this is our first project on 3D form. To emphasize on a good mind-eyes-hand coordination technique and planning in using basic geometrical patterns to form an artistic masterpiece. So whatever you have in your mind, basically you have to put it on paper or on your model. And to expose students about making model making. Okay. I'll skip this. So basically in this project, we will assess two things. First, 80% of the assessment is on design, 20% is on quality of the model. Your workmanship means how neat is your work, etc. So design a 3D geometrical sculpture. Okay, the sculpture must be derived from design concept. I've listed the theme for the concept in our WhatsApp group. I will upload at our e-learning. So because we have students from China who hardly can access WhatsApp, right? Students need to use only geometrical shape to form the 3D sculpture. Okay, only geometrical shape, no organic form. Students are required to implement the basic design principles in creating the 3D sculpture. So design size and materials. For the size, is within this size, 190 to 40 mm, because we already bought IKEA's frames, so you can place your design on top of that. You can use lightweight, easily available materials for the dummy, or we call it mock-up model. Okay. And then for the final one, use white mounting board. Okay, white mounting board or a white modeling board. Modeling board is easier. Okay, so it's a white finish 3D sculpture. Durability. Make sure when you assemble the 3D sculpture, the model can be tilted 90 or 180 degree, and the sculpture must be fixed to the frame. So all progress and study models, so all progress must be on the butter paper. Keep all the progress, okay? And take picture of the mock-up models. So this is the frame. Make sure you write your details here, put your picture there. So this is the boundary of your form. Don't focusing on the boundary, okay? It's just as a guideline. So focus on your concept and principles, and just make sure the model does not exceed the boundary area. The commencement is yesterday, Monday. Submission is in 2 weeks, 6 December, before 9:30 in the morning. So you can refer here for the input. For students in USM, we will have an input lecture by Dr. Nuriati on concept and design principles. Okay, I've uploaded this book at your e-learning. These are some examples, not by your seniors. For marking, for rubric is the marking guideline. So you see here, 80% on design, 20% on model quality. Make sure it's durable, stable, excellent workmanship, neat, precise model if you want to get exceptional marks. For design, creative design, high complexity, high quality, implementation of basic ordering principles. Okay, not basic implementation, but implementation of the basic principles. Show progress on ideation and mock-up model. Okay, progress is very important in architecture. Progress is not about showing your final outcome. Progress is showing your progress. Okay, create session is progress. Okay, so just show whatever you have, and don't worry about being perfect. Here are some examples by your senior. Another example. So now it's already the 5th week of the semester. For those who are still in your own country, please update me with your the visa progress and inform me whether you actually plan to come into Malaysia by this year or you plan to defer your study. All right. I've already explained, right? If you defer your study, you basically extend your study years to another 1 year because you have to pass your studio 1 to take the next studio. And then the studio 1 is only offered in first semester. So if you didn't take studio 1, you basically have to wait for another year and join the next batch to join the studio 1. All right. All the best. Take care.